Hello and welcome back to our channel. If you've been following us, you know that we've been on a 30-day adventure, currently on a 14-day Scandinavia-Russia cruise with Royal Caribbean. Our next port of call is Oslo, and we will be going over what you can do there, what there is to do when you have 5 hours and not a lot of time. So please join us and we will explore this together. Bon voyage! Let's adventure. Helpful tips for a stop in Oslo. The actual dock is the Oslo Cruise Pier, and it is located within walking distance to the city center. It's about a 15-minute walk. There are no shuttles at the port, and there is limited taxis available. There is also a hop-on, hop-off bus available, and the tickets can be purchased right at the pier. We're going on a ferry to the islands that are located over here. Our ship docked right outside the Akerhus castle and fortress. It is a waterside fortress and former prison, military base, and even a temporary office for the Prime Minister of Norway. It was built in 1299, and then it was actually renovated in the 1600s by King Christian IV, who turned this into a Renaissance castle. Realistically, when you just have about 5 hours to tour anywhere, it's probably a good idea to book a tour. We did a walking city tour that included a stop at an ice bar just to get an idea of what the city had to offer, and we were led by someone that knew the way, so it wasn't wasting our time. We didn't do a lot of shopping, but we did view just how the city was laid out. City's in the ice bar bathroom. It's got mood lighting in here. It's very interesting. It's like a club lighting in the bathroom. It's hard to even see. Ice bar, baby. Woo! This is so cool. It's all made of ice and it's freezing. You have to wear outfits like that with these people here. But it's pretty cool. You can just sit here and enjoy a drink or two. is the government building complex. It's located in central Oslo. It has been restructured after a terrorist attack in 2011. It is quite modern and environmentally friendly. The heating comes from seawater. It has famous Pablo Picasso murals and other artwork as well. The Nobel Peace Prize Center has various exhibits and also a gift shop and a coffee shop. An interesting note about the Nobel Peace Prize is that it was established in 1901 by the will of Albert Nobel, who was a Swedish industrialist and inventor. He decided to have awards out of his will for outstanding contributions in peace. I believe there's 5 awards, and they are presented every December 10th, and they are decided on by a Norwegian Nobel Peace Prize committee, and they have various criteria for what they use to decide who will win.
Wow, these ice cubes are legit.
Finally, a decent cup of coffee. Libby wants this, but I told her she can't have it for college. Here are the trolls from Norway. Here I am leaving Oslo, laying out in the solarium, cup of coffee. It's beautiful. It's around 5:30 or so. It doesn't get dark here until 10:30. Here's some of the view. Olivia's in the hot tub that's behind me here. And this has been a great time. Nice day. Bye-bye, Norway.